Welcome back. You have probably already seen our other tutorials that show you how Parago makes your life easier, safer and more convenient. If not, check them out. Today I will show you how to set the temperature on your Pg20. Step 1. Connect your Pg20 to a power source and shut it on by pushing the on/off button. Step 2. Now push the set button. The temperature symbol starts flashing. By tapping either the plus or minus button, you can adjust the temperature to anywhere between minus 22 degrees Celsius to plus 10 degrees Celsius, or minus 8 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 50 degrees Fahrenheit. You're good to go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our Parago website.